This is Force 13, Australia Oceania Channel, where currently on the screen is a developing tropical scene off the northwest WA coast, the Timor Sea, and where the Weather Bureau has its eyes on three systems. The tropical cyclone 3-day outlook by the Northern Territory office is reporting no significant tropical lows in the region, and none are expected to develop during the next 3 days. However, a weak monsoon trough lies in the north coast at the top end and extends into the Timor Sea. Likelihood of a tropical cyclone in the northern region on a Monday remains very low, the same on a Tuesday and Wednesday. Now we go to the 3-day outlook for the western region, where there is some detail. As mentioned, a monsoon trough currently lies over water south of Indonesia and across the Timor Sea. A low is likely to form tonight or tomorrow Monday in the trough, a long way north of Broome. It is then forecast to move slowly west before turning south on Tuesday and Wednesday. The risk of the system developing into a tropical cyclone increases over the next few days, with a moderate risk on Wednesday. The risk increases to high towards the end of the week as the system tracks towards the Pilbara coast. Monday very low, increases to low, then up to moderate on Wednesday. The monsoon trough also extends to near the Cocos Islands and Christmas Island. From Tuesday, there is a chance of a weak tropical low developing in the trough in western parts of the region and possibly strengthening later in the week. Due to the trough in the vicinity of the islands, there could be increased thunderstorm activity at times for the next 2 days. And percentages very low, increases Tuesday or Wednesday to low. Now this is a satellite view of the eastern region, where the Fiji Met Office has a heavy rainfall and a flood warning in place for quite a bit of the country. Now we switch over to the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guidance. And you can see the area around the Keeling Islands, the Christmas Islands, right across to the Northern Territory Darwin region, a little bit into the northwest Gulf of Carpentaria. However, keeping an eye on the Solomon and Coral Seas region, and further to the east, stretching down to Fiji. Now, this is a global tropics hazard, and what we're looking at for tropical cyclone formation is the area in yellow, in white and yellow. For the western region, wind shear. The systems love the area in pink to green, but the red represents very strong wind shear. Now we look at the 850 MB vorticity for the western region, and you can definitely see the areas developing. Now please be advised that weather models do change, tracks do change, but here is a snapshot of a possible system. That is one model. Then we come across to the total forecast of rain, and these are in two 4-day blocks. The first 4 days, and you can see where the rainfall activity is going to take place, particularly the western region of WA, northeastern Gulf of Carpentaria, and the scales are there on the right hand side. Now the second 4-day block, and you can definitely see how the area changes, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we might see some nice rainfall here in the southeast corner of Queensland. And the picture changes further for days 1 to 8. And paying attention to the area in purple to pink to red. Now this is the 12-hourly rainfall, and let's see if it's been updated. No. Okay, this is from earlier today, and I think this is for today, Monday, Tuesday, and the north coastal region of Queensland, around Mackay, further north from Mackay. We'll go back to Wednesday, Thursday, and you can definitely see how the picture develops. Now we have a look at another. This is the flood information for Weather Nandy. 850 vorticity for the eastern region. And this is the Solomon Island satellite view. And currently, we have for New South Wales, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for large hailstones, heavy rainfall and damaging winds for people in parts of the northern rivers, mid-north coast, Hunters, central tablelands, the northwest slopes and plains. This was updated at 16:56, and the next update will be around 8 o'clock New South Wales time. Now, the Coral Sea region. Are we going to see the drought broken, This is one or two models that is indicating a possible system, but again, it's far too soon to say what is going to happen. And here's a second model lending support, so that's 2 out of 5 that I monitor. So with the tropical scene developing, when considering the information now available by the Weather Bureau, this time next week we could have a tropical cyclone on the radar. So that's it for now. The positioning of the low tropical lows will come out in about half an hour from now. Local time at my HQ here on the Queensland southern coast, Eastern Standard Time is 17:37. So before we go,
you can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube, you're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.